What's up guys, welcome back at another video. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Bingx to Phantom Wallet. So, you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Now, since we want to transfer to our Phantom Wallet, what we need to do is we first need to get our address from Phantom Wallet. So, at the top right here, let's go and access our Phantom Wallet. Let's go and enter our password here real quickly. Now, in here, we want to go and choose the receive option, and let's go and choose our Solana address. Now, just to give you some idea here, by default, Solana here uses the Solana network, so that's something that you really need to basically remember here. But once you've copied your address here, what we need to do is we now need to go ahead and access Bingx. Now, in our Bingx account, what we need to do is we want to go and click on Assets or hover over it. And from here, you want to go and click on the Withdraw option that you see here. And in here, we want to go and choose our currency. Now, since we want to transfer Solana, you could go ahead and choose Solana here. But obviously, you can only make a transaction or choose your asset here if you have the appropriate amount here. Like, for example, you need to have like at least like $5 amount worth of Solana in order for you to make this transaction. Can be more depending on the platform itself. But yeah, just to give an example, let's go and choose this one. But obviously, you want to choose Solana here. Now, from here, you just need to enter the address that we just copied and also the network that you want to use. So, in this case, since we copied the address for a Solana address on a Solana network, you want to make sure that you choose the Solana network here. But yeah, once you've done that, you can go ahead and basically confirm your transaction. Once you fill out the details, it should see the withdraw option here. Go ahead and click on it and just wait for a few minutes in order for your transaction to complete. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.